How to turn off Facebook offline activity tracking and clear history. If any day you are a Facebook user and you would like to do all of these steps but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Facebook application on your mobile device. You can tap on the very Facebook application. After you tap on the Facebook application, Facebook will be launched on your very mobile device. Now, after that, you can go to the profile icon on the top portion and then go to the option settings and privacy. And then tap on settings. After you tap on settings, now you can see an interface like this. Now, after you see an interface like this, now you have to go to the next option. That is, you have to go to the option of the very security on your very mobile device. You have to search the option of the security on your very mobile device until you find it. Now, when you find the option of the security on your very mobile device, if you do not find it directly as well, you can go there and then search security there. Now, after you find the option of the security there, you have to tap on the option of the security check up there. And after you tap on the option of the security chat up, now you have to just turn off the Facebook offline tracking history. And in order to clear down the history, what you have to do is you have to close it. You have to tap on the Facebook and then go to the eye option there. After you go to the eye option there, you can send it a face like this. Now you have to go to the option of the storage there and then go to the option of clear the cache and then tap on the clear the data. And this way the history will also be deleted and cleared. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.